Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Alright, so today we're looking at dividend investing. Today I'll be making a dividend stock purchase in the amount of $100. If you invest $100 over your lifetime, or over 40 years, you become a millionaire. You can see my other video on compounding interest and how that works. But I'm stepping up my game now, so I'm investing $100 a week just to get you guys through the process here, give you some options. If you can do $100 a month, that'd be great. Do whatever you can do to build that passive income. My goal, of course, is to make passive income while I sleep every day. Here's what I have currently, my portfolio. See, I have some good stuff here. Oh, a lot of oil stocks, technology, AT&T. So what I want to do today is a little different. Here are the ones that I've been looking at. See, there's some technology, waste management, healthcare, AbbVie, Pfizer. So I want to steer clear of energy right now. I thought either something with real estate, one of these real estate trusts or REITs. Coca-Cola, I love that stock. I'll have to do a review on that one sometime, by their account. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to go up here at the beginning. Stellantis Capital. You can see they were doing pretty good back here, right? Then they dropped with everybody else down to $8 or so, and they're going back up. Right now their dividend yield's about 7.8%. It's pretty good. 52-week low of 580, and they're near the highs, I guess. But they think they're okay. So this is what they do. They're an investment corporation. So the goal is income and capital appreciation. So I've done a little bit of research on this one before. Maybe I'll do another breakout video on the research that I did exactly. You can see their earnings. Still pretty good. So I want to buy this stock today. So I'm going to trade, buy, $100, swipe up. Done. Can view the order. Perfect. I got 7.7 shares. Go back to here. Go back up to my holdings. And you can see it's listed here. So good deal. Alright guys, like I said before, you want to earn passive income? Dividend investing is one of the best ways to do it. Not a lot of work involved, obviously. A lot of you guys out there might be new. Robinhood's still a pretty good platform. I know they took a lot of heat, but I still like them. So if you want to open up your own Robinhood account, see my other video on how to do that and how to invest in stocks. Use the link below to open a Robinhood account and get 2 free stocks, or 1 free stock if they're still doing that. I think they are. At least 1 free stock, maybe 2. Anyway, follow the link below. You'll see. And subscribe to my channel for the daily options trade, dividend investing, and general wealth building. And of course, cryptocurrency. Thanks. Have a good day.